WAGO's 855 series current transformers, or CTs, make energy monitoring straightforward. Our CTs are a crucial component in accurate energy metering. What sets these CTs apart is their ability to deliver precise and reliable readings, making them ideal for both energy management or billing scenarios where accuracy is critical. They're designed to integrate seamlessly into existing systems while maintaining consistent performance. Importantly, specific versions meet the conformity assessment requirements for billing applications. That means they're officially certified and approved for use in conjunction with WAGO's MID meters, ensuring that they meet a high standard for quality and compliance. They're easy to install, even in tight spaces, and help pinpoint high energy use and help meet your energy reduction targets in combination with a WAGO energy meter. WAGO offers both solid or split core versions, or an ultra compact 18mm pitch version for close mounting adjacent to your MCBs. Whether you're retrofitting or building new systems, there is a perfect solution, irrespective of the space available or design of enclosure. In short, if you're looking for a dependable, accurate measurement technology tailored to your needs, WAGO's current transformers are a smart and trusted choice.